A little about the reliability of modern cars. Kia Sportage, 2018, 85,000 mileage, diesel engine, I don't know what volume. And we already have a camshaft oil seal and a crankshaft oil seal. The belt was changing. The belt was changing before me. Here we see. These are the streams, see? And here it is. That's reliability. Take a look at this video. Did he change or not? And he makes noise. Now, just a second. So is this one. He makes noise, and look how he is in the swamp, rusty. Do you see? It seems to me that no one has ever changed it. Listen to the video. Here, right? In short, it was clarified. It changed for 70,000 like this, 15,000 ago, according to the official documents, and a year ago. I don't think it will oxidize like this in a year. Truth. And do you want a joke? The crankshaft oil seal is leaking. Do you see? We'll replace what should be done. Front cover. The oil seal was put on the other side of the cover. Do people have intelligence or not? Tell me. Huh? This is not reasonable at all. You will have to remove the cover. And there, see how much sealant there is. It's olfactory, I think. Because of what is in the lid, I think there are guides here. It was difficult to tear it off. There are definitely guides. Not much fun. Why is there a belt? Well, they are mad. And the oil seal is standing. You see, the oil seal is placed from the inside of the cover. And here is the belt. Well, he has a hard time, isn't he sick? See? It needs to be replaced at 85,000. I don't think it's out yet, is it? A new car? Have these car manufacturers screwed up with these belts? No. He's the one turning the pump over there. He probably also balanced the balancer. Oh, and jerks. Oh, and jerks. That I did not suit them with a flail here. Tell me. And the teeth are already like that. Well, that's it. Belt. See? Oh, go. See what resource this belt has. I know how to show you. Look at this belt. See? 85,000 mileage. See? It's over. He is at the end of this belt. I'm going to say, we waited for spare parts. It took about a week for the appointment. About a week has passed. Yes, this is a bypass roller. This is a roller coaster for us. Yes, the heat exchanger gasket. Camshaft oil seal. Oil seal of the crankshaft. Main timing belt. And the oil pump belt. This is such a super belt. Super belt. Look, I'm running my hands along it. And shit will pour out of him. So it was stitched neatly with nanothreads. These are horsetail nanothreads. Nanotechnology. So, to replace the all-pump drive belt, we need to remove the pan. We have an air conditioner compressor attached to the pallet. Yes, it will be necessary to release it, tie it up. We have an oil filter installed in the pan. It is not clear why he surrendered there. And the heat exchanger is attached. You can see how here the oil enters and passes into the block. I hope that the crankshaft oil seal is not attached to the pallet because they can do such a thing. If it is attached to the pallet, then it will be a very big fiasco. Extra large, nothing is attached to the pallet on this side. The pillow will interfere, so unscrew the bolt. It will be necessary to throw off this pillow. This, I can say, is not a big problem. Well, let's drain the oil and get to work. By the way, I will ask about oil. Where to drain? Can I put a dirty can in a clean canister? What I want to tell you is that this scraper is new. This gimbal is floating. They help a lot in work and speed it up a lot. You can get in everywhere, get out everywhere. But not in the case of the cane, because the cane likes to surprise. Look, this is our pallet. I would have already started to unscrew it in a circle, removed the pillow. And this is where the bolt stands, see? Do you see? It has to be turned with a socket wrench because they bolted the pallet, and then docked with the box, and that's it, and it's called a good day. How is that? Which one is it? Perch you fuck. Oh, that's a cane for you guys. There is one more surprise here, which I will show you a little later. Now I will unscrew the pallet in a circle and show another life hack from a cane. I was very happy when I saw him. Yes, here it is unscrewed. Here you can reach that bolt with an extension cord. Everything is fine here. Now here they leave these two bolts in front. And then I will still unscrew the heat exchanger, since all will flow from it. I don't want it to flow on my head. Unscrew the air conditioner. Now it is held on the top. The pallet is removed down. Everything will be fine. And that bolt, super bolt. Maybe a 1.4 head will fit on it. Maybe. Now let's try. Head for 10, 1.4. Well, what to try on the Cosina, Let's give it a try. Korean car industry. Oops, super luxury, go ahead. Or what? A taco grinder to choose a hole for the head or what? You can lick the carob now, you can see how the carob stands. It also does not become a cape. I wonder what they were thinking when they put this bolt here. Who knows? And this one, by the way, there is one more. Anna, I think there is more space here. Oh, this is super luxury. This is our bolt. I have to think about something now. Sawing off the head or something. 12-point head. Oh, you see, Yarek was calling them names, and they asked for a 12-sided head just here, and that was it. You see, Koreans are cunning dudes. Unscrew. Now we will tear it off. And he doesn't want to leave. You see, oh, the first tears. The first tears. You see? It is he who sits on the guides of these. Bitch, get sour. We have to go along the way. She will dissolve them at least a little. This guy. We will try to tear off the pallet. I unscrew the last bolt. We will try to tear off the tray. There are such special things where you can hammer a screwdriver. I think that's what they made them for. These Koreans, maybe not. They have another surprise. I thought he wouldn't make it. and he doesn't want to go out. You have to go upstairs. You need to go upstairs. Show you a joke? Surprise! Another one from the Koreans. You see, I already tore off the pallet from them. Oh, right. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. And here, a probe goes into the pallet. And he went to the mountain. Do you see? Let's go upstairs. Here is our dipstick. Wait for it to roll back. We need to put a parking lot. And now it is screwed. Look where. What an ordinary bolt. Wherever the fingers can fit to twist it, they won't fit. Here you go, Koreans. Yes, the key. Up. Oh. Up. And that's how it works. Up, 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 up. Whop. Oh, never mind. Wow, this is a sweep. And who can tell me how this bolter will make a living here? And how long is it? Will it be enough for it to get out of here? In short, I started to unscrew the bolt, but I was persuaded not to unscrew it. Since then, it will be very difficult to feed him here. But the pallet was removed, and yes, without it. Here is our belt. They got her. What we have. We have. Maybe I took it apart early, but take a look. It is already cracked 85,000. See? The teeth are already narrow. Look at the teeth on the old belt. Tooth width. And the width of the tooth on the new belt. A little wider. I understand that it is new, but still, it will be better for it to sit on the gear. You will not have free movement to walk on a 6-wheel drive. We'll throw it on right away. This is what the new belt looks like at its workplace. Look how much more stretched it is. And sits completely on the dental. You see, it completely fills the hole. This is a resource. The belt is in place. I have already installed the front cover. Everything is fine there without any jokes. Here we have what works. Here we have the all channel coming from the all pump. It goes into the pallet. On the pallet goes to the all filter. It returns and goes through the heat exchanger. There are 2 more channels, you see. Here we have a rubber gasket. It is still in good condition. She stands for this level. We will not touch it. I have already prepared everything. Now I will lightly apply sealant and the pallet itself, and we will bet. Well, I'll smear a little. Of course, the feeler. The probe are good tentacle. You don't know what kind of interesting car it is. Only when you understand something new, you immediately make a discovery for yourself. In modern cars, removed the camshaft all seal. You know what I saw there. You will never guess. Never. I saw this only on motorcycles. Look. We have a camshaft on a bearing. I don't know if this is good or bad. This is the first time I see this on cars. I have not seen this before. How do you like it? Maybe it's better. Maybe it's worse. Who knowed him? But for sure, I think it will be louder than just in bed. Because any bearing makes noise. Maybe it won't be heard on a diesel, but I haven't seen that yet. Kia. Yes, we have the original belt. And as you can see, power grip, supplier to the Hyundai Kia conveyor. Gates. There are installation marks on the belt. Do you see? Here there is one more somewhere. It was me who checked whether it matched the old belt. It matches, everything is fine, we will bet. Now try it according to the label. Well, look, everything matches. Our camshaft is pinned. There is a label. There is a label there. We have a fuel pump there. Collinville, there is a mark on the body and the mark on the belt and gear coincides. Now you can pull out the roller lock. He tightens the belt a little. Well, then we tighten the belt according to the arrow to expose the ripper. There it is. And that's it, we're dragging it out. Then we tighten these bolts and check the marks. Everything I collected. And ready for the first launch, we will try to launch it. Yes, our Kia is beautiful in the cabin, pleasant. Not without it. We are greeted with music. You see, it says open hood, open door. We are trying to launch. Checking systems? Let's try. In the parking lot. In the parking lot. Hiss. Goodbye. You see? The repair has been completed and you can make a summary. Relatively beautiful car Kia Sportage. Before meeting this car, I thought that Kia cars were normal. And it turned out to be quite the opposite. First question to the officials: how beautifully you deceive your customers when you say that you change belts. And in fact, you don't change them. You have special respect for this, considering what you have for repairs. The second question is for car manufacturers. You stopped making cars normally. Why not put a chain instead of a belt, as it was before? Volkswagen and Ford are doing the same now. To be honest, I don't understand this joke. In order not to replace this belt with an all-pump, a maximum of 150,000 would be enough. This is the maximum, and there could be trouble. If it spilled, the all-pump would clog and the engine would be dead. And I was also very surprised by that bearing on the camshaft. That is, a camshaft on bearings. Are we going back or what? It seems that everything goes forward and something goes back. Kia Sportage was repaired like this. 2018, 85,000 mileage. I look forward to your comments. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Bye everyone. Glory to Ukraine.